everyone, for this Get Ready With Me. I wanted to do a makeup where it looks like I have fallen in love. I was inspired by spring and cherry blossoms and love. So that is the look that I'm going to do today. For today's cushion, I'm using the Clio Kill Cover. I'm almost done with this, so I wanted to finish it up. I'm also going to flip this cushion because I'm not getting a lot of product. And then I'm going to start from here and blend out. I have gotten so tan since I've moved to California. Like, all my cushion foundation is a bit too light for me. So I need to finish all of it up before I get really tan. I haven't tanned in so long because in Korea, like, I don't go out and tan. And even if I go to the beach, I really cover up so I don't tan. I can't do that in America. Like you can't avoid the sun. No matter how hard I try to avoid the sun, like the sun is so strong that it just burns my skin. And I don't know if it's socially acceptable for me to carry around a umbrella. Like, I want to carry around a umbrella at the beach, but like nobody carries an umbrella and I don't want to be the only weird one. Maybe I could start the trend, you know? Maybe I could start carrying around a umbrella and then I'll inspire other people to carry around a umbrella. So I have my base down and oh my god, I look so pale. I need to add some color, so I'm going to contour my face. I'm gonna just follow my natural contour. I don't know if I need to do the forehead. I'll do a little bit. I'm gonna take a brush and just blend it out. The Fenty matchstick is very easy to blend, so it makes contouring so easy. And I like to blend like up so it lifts my face. I'm gonna quickly do my brows. I'm not gonna do much with my brows. I'm gonna keep it very light. I want a really soft brow, so I'm just gonna use like a brow tint and brush them. Since I'm not trying to do a bold look, I think a soft brow is more appropriate for this look. Now I'm gonna move on to my eyes. I'm gonna use the 3CE New Take eyeshadow palette in Creative Filter. This palette has really nice shades of pink, so I'm going to use this. I'm gonna start with this pink color with a blending brush, and I'm going to put it on the outer corners of my eyes. Very lightly blend it on just the half of my eye, just like that. Gives like a nice touch of pink, and then whatever is left, I'm just gonna bring it in. Just like this. It has a nice touch of pink. I'm gonna take a smaller brush with the same color and then place it on the lower lash line. I'm only gonna put it until like the half of my eye. I don't want this to be too pink, so I'm gonna neutralize it with this taupe color. And then what I'm gonna do is just place it in the same area. And since the brush is small, I'm gonna put it on the bottom lash line. It's not like too pink now. I'm not gonna leave that part empty. I'm gonna go in with the light pink and then put it on the inner half. I like to apply glitter. Like, I love sparkles, so obviously I have to add it to this look. I'm gonna take this glittery shimmery shade and then I'm just gonna place it like in the middle between the two colors. And I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line, or like below the lash line, so just like right there. You could see it better when I smile. I'm gonna take the taupe color again with the same small brush, and then I'm just gonna shade underneath here. Blend it out with your fingers if it's too harsh. So my eyeshadow is pretty much done. This is all I'm gonna do. Now I'm just gonna line it with the brown eyeshadow. I love doing this. This is what I do all the time. I really like to darken the inner part of my eyes. It just makes my eyes look bigger. And then I'm just gonna give it like a tiny wing. Just like that, nothing too crazy. Not like a cat eye, like a kitty, you know? A kitty eye. So I bought these lashes from Amazon and I tried them out yesterday and terrible. Definitely a learning curve here, but I want to try them again and see how well I do. They look like this. There's like the A-shape lashes, more flared ones, and there's these ones, and then there's also the lower lash line. I'm gonna try again today and see if I could do a better job today. I think my mistake yesterday was that I curled my lashes and I tried to put them on, and that was really hard and I couldn't put it underneath my lash line. So I'm gonna try to put it on top of my lash line and then curl it all together and see if that works. Okay, I know you can't see them right now, but I'm going to curl them together. I've also been like really obsessed with Amazon. Like, I didn't know that you could find so many things on Amazon. Literally everything is on Amazon. So like, I get why everybody shops at Amazon, but it's dangerous because it's so addicting. I feel like it would just be so much easier just to get a full lash instead of doing this individual one. I think this individual one only works if you have like a lot of lashes and you just kind of want to fill them in. If you have like no lashes like me, like I have no lashes, just get full strips of lashes instead of getting single ones, because this is just taking forever. Okay, this is the best I could do. I even tried to put the lower lash line. I even tried to put the lower lashes, but I don't know, I still need to play around with it. I don't want to go too close because it's kind of embarrassing. It's a lot better than yesterday. Now I'm gonna apply blush and highlights. For my blush, I'm gonna use the 3CE New Take Face Blusher in Youth Pink. I thought this was just an appropriate color to go with, and I'm just gonna apply it right here. I'm gonna apply the blush like right underneath my eyes, because I feel like, you know, when you're like in love and like you're shy, you tend to blush in that area. I'm gonna put some little on my nose. For highlight, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in, I don't know what color. Oh, Blossom Glow. Blossom Glow. This highlighter is so good. I love it. It gives such a nice highlight. I also like to put highlight here. I don't know. Top of my lip. I'm also going to apply it like right here. Not like directly on the inner corner, but a little bit out. Finally, for my lips, I'm gonna use the Peri Para Ink Velvet 18 in Star Plump Pink. Again, just a nice pink color. I like to like soften the edges with my finger. Really precise line lip. Kind of makes me look old, and I don't like that. I don't want to look old. And then I'm just gonna gloss the center of my lip. All right, so this is my final look. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below your favorite pie. My favorite pie is definitely apple pie, the OG pie. Like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.